create a new company now, because I need to teach you. In the last class, I didn't do it detail. I need to teach you so that you know how to create a new company in case you have a company that is already created and you want to create another company. Because this software can actually host more companies. Assuming you're an accountant that manage 2-3 companies, group of companies, you can host them in one package. So you go to File. I believe you have seen my console. You go to File, you click File, look through the file. You see new company from existing company, open or restore company, open previous company, open second company, and all of that. But in this instance now, we want to create new company. So you come here, it creates. So you create, you allow it to come up. You allow it to come up, and you have this page. Like I told you, I said I don't want to rush to this meeting. Even subsequently, I don't want to rush it. I want to take it step by step. I have time. Okay. You'll see, you come to this page. You see Express Stats. You click it. So you click Express Stats. Now, what is the business name? What is your business name that you want to create? What is the business name? You have it already. SYZ Limited. Which of the industry are you operating? Is it manufacturing? Is it estates, real estates? Whatever it is, put it there. You see manufacturing. You clicked it. You clicked it. Then the next thing is business type. You clicked it. You see sole proprietorship. You see corporation. Is it a one-man business? Is it a corporation? Is it owned by many persons? So whatever it is that you are in, you do it. Let's do sole proprietorship. Then your business address. 29 Olugo Streets. Then city for records. This, I want us to take it step by step so that you appreciate this class. So when you are done, you are sure that you are done, you click create company. So you allow the company to create. So if you see here now, you see creating new company file. Please wait. It's asking us to wait. So you wait. You wait. So we are waiting. It's good we know this process. It's very, very important. If this is the only things you know how to create a company file, then you have done so well for yourself. So it means that you have knowledge. If you tell an interviewer that you have know how to set up, they will know that you have, at least small knowledge. That can give you an advantage. So the company has been created. Look up XYZ Limited. The company has been created. So the next thing is that it's asking us. You can decide to ignore this message that is here now. You can ignore it. You still meet them inside. But because it's asking us here now, it's coming at this time, and probably we will have this information. As we are creating a new company, we have this information ready. So you go ahead and create, even if it's one, two that you have here that you want to create, and create it. When you get inside the software proper, you will have an opportunity of creating more. So you say add the people you do business with. Everybody you do business with, both vendor, customers, everybody you do business with, say add them. If you have them right away, add them. If you don't have them, in your hand, you can ignore it. But let's assume that we have them. You come here, add the people you do business with. The first one, where are you bringing them from? Is it from Outlook, Yahoo, Gmail, or paste from Excel, or enter manually? So let's do that because we are putting them manually. Then the next thing is to continue. Then this page will display. This page will display. Now, you see customers. If you click customers here, and you write anything here, you are talking about the customer. So as you say customer there now, name Mr. Joel is our customer. What is the name of his company that he represents? Roslyn Nigeria Limited. He works for Roslyn Nigeria Limited. What is his first name? Joel. What is his last name? Mark. All this information, as you are filling them, it will automatically appear in the account. rose@yahoo.com. Then phone number. Put the phone number. If you have alternate phone number, you put it. The address, 23 Step Street. City, Port Harcourt. Who is the contact person? Lovely. So you are filled for customer. If you have many customers, you feed them in this order. You click here, you write. You click here, you write. But let's assume that we are done for customers. Then the same thing apply for vendor. Let's do one for vendor. The same thing apply for vendor. Mrs. Esther. Electro Nigeria. Esther. Fred. electro@yahoo.com. So you follow that order like that. The address, the phone number, and all of that. You put them like that. So when you are done, you click continue. And here it will tell you any other thing you need to fix is there. If you have anything, you fix them. So you go continue. You allow it to come up. You allow it to come up. Then the second one is products. The service here is that if you are into consultancy, but we are not into consultancy, assuming that we're into manufacturing, you click the non-inventory parts. Click continue. So what is the name of your products that you sell? Let's say that you sell honey. Then you put the description of honey, original honey. Then you put the price, 8,000. You list out all the names of the products you are selling. Then you click continue. Then here you also tell you if anything you need to fix, you fix it. If there's nothing, is continue. Then the last one is to add bank. Here, click. Then the name of your bank, FCMB. The bank account, put it. Then your opening balance, 990,000. Then dates, date of that transaction. Let's assume that is today's date. Click continue. Here you say no, thanks, and continue. Then start working. So with this, you have set up your products that you sell. You have also set up banks, some of the banks. You have also set up your customers and your vendor, which is part of the class, which is part of the one of the heading of what we'll be talking about later. So you will just done that. Okay, now so because of those who are just joining us, we are already moving forward. We're already making progress. We have just done one part on how to create a company file. So you miss out on that. I may not want to go back, but if I have an opportunity to come back, I can still explain it. So just follow the class. Like I always told my students, I did last class, I told them that this training, like today, only today training now, like the people just joining us, may not be the last, the first and the last. You will continue to attend this training like up to 2, 3, 4 times until you are able to get something tangible you can put in your CV. So one day is not just enough. So plan yourself that by the next meeting, every Saturday, you will still be coming. Okay. So now